I have the ESRI report here as well, and the only year, 2008 to 2012, yes, we were all hit badly. 2011, we were all hit badly with budget measures, and possibly even more than 2012 budget. But 2012 budget reversed the trends completely. The bottom decile had higher cutbacks than the top decile. And every decile going up, so the bottom had paid more, then the second paid slightly less than the bottom.
The decile is 10%.
10%, yeah, so the bottom 10% of the economy paid more. And every decile that you went up that got a little bit richer paid a little bit less. And that is a complete reversal of what the Programme for Government said. The Programme for Government had clearly outlined that the vulnerable would be protected and that we would all pay our fair share. That's not what happened. That's why, as part of Spark, I've been involved in the Equality Budgeting Campaign, which is what we're looking for, is that that there's a real alternative there, that there's a statutory instrument put in place, that there's an impact and equality analysis done on every single budget. Why isn't that done? It would make it transparent, instead of this kite flying that goes on from September, and see who goes and shouts the loudest. And the ones who don't shout the loudest are the ones who can't. So you get the carers who are stuck at home, you get disabled who can't shout because they're busy trying to live their lives, you get lone parents, all of these groups, and they can't shout loudest, so they get attacked first. So what we're proposing is that there's an equality group set up. They analyse the budget, something like they do in Scotland, which is a great example of it. They issue a draft budget in September that goes to the EBAG, which is Equality Budget Advisory Group. They analyse it. They analyse it on the 9 grounds of equality legislation, plus socio-economic. They check it on certain grounds, health and well-being of the people, all these things that make a society. Society isn't just economy. But apart from even the economy, apart from the Society Act, your approach isn't working. Austerity isn't working.